So now what we are going to do is we are going to understand how are we going to make use of uh, backward slash n. Okay, backward slash n is used to display your text in the next line. For example, I wanted to display SRK infra in first line and developers in the second line. Can you just take one string company name is equal to, we'll just write only the company name, okay? SRK infra developers. So now what I want you to do is I want you to display the infra developers at the second line. Okay. So generally, how do you display system.out.println? You will be writing company name, correct? Can you write that directly? No. Why are you writing directly? You have to give the variable name. You have to write company name. Company name. Okay. Print this and see it will print SRK developer infra developers in a single statement. Run this. Correct. So now my requirement is SRK infra in the first line, developers in the second line. So for that, what you have to do is you have to use backward slash n wherever you want to break the line. So after infra, there is a space, right? Before D, just backward slash n. Now run the program and see what is going to happen. Clear? Do you see the output?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, just copy paste the same string one more time, 53rd line, copy paste one more time and comment that. So now don't give any space between those values, SRK, infra, developers. There is a space, right? Just remove all the spaces. Okay. Now, if you print this, what is going to happen? Print this system.out. No, you did not write the system.out.print statement. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Without gap, it got printed, sir.
Without gap. Now what I want you to do is I wanted to have a tab space. Okay. So generally tab space, you are going to make use of the keyword here. You are going to use a special character that is backward slash T. Okay. So after SRK infra in the line number 56, backward slash T. Now run the program and see there will be a space between SRK infra and developers. That will be a tab space. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
This is not a simple space. This is a tab space. Are you clear? Any questions?
No question, sir.
So based on the requirement, we are going to make use of the required special characters. Okay. Whatever the special characters you are going to use. So how are you going to print? So you must understand this backward slash n, backward slash t. If at all you wanted to have a backward slash space, okay, backspace, then the first word you can use backward slash b. Can you make use of the same thing? Do it in front of SRK, because if you do in front of developers, you will not be able to see that, right?
Is it okay, sir?
Yeah. So you remove the tab space also, so that we will identify only one at a time. Backward slash T also you can remove. Yeah. Now run. Is it showing any error? Just see in the syntax you got a warning. What is the warning it is showing?
No, sir. No warning has come.
There is a bulb symbol, right? At the left side.
Yeah, like
What it
it means we have to save that only.
okay, okay, fine. Okay, so I think it is not making use of it, right?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you make use of instead of B, BLO? BLO.
Is it okay, sir?
Yes, correct. Now run and see there will be a backspace. Okay, LO is printing. No, this is also not correct. Just try only backward B only. Okay, BLO is not correct. Okay, it's only backward slash B only. Okay, so the reason why we are not able to recognize is we don't identify it in the console, right? So if you see this string compare company name length, can you try the length of this company name now after adding the backward B?
Yes.
So the correct one is only backward slash B only. Okay. Now dot length, dot length. Okay. Now print. So how many letters? How many letters are there in the SRK infra developers? Three, and then four, seven, three, four. Just count and let me know what is the total number of characters.
SRK Infra Developers, it is 18, sir.
18. So you added backward slash, right? Backward slash B. That means there is a backspace. That means it should be 19. Yeah. Are you able to see 19 output?
Yes, sir.
If you remove backward slash B there, it should be 18. Are you clear now? Whether the program is working fine or not, you will be able to recognize this way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sometimes what happens, your console may not provide you the details. That's the reason you have to make use of the length of that particular string, and then you should be able to identify it. Okay, so you are clear with all the various types of special characters, how you're going to make use in springs using the backslash. Okay,
Yes, sir.